What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are here in these beautiful mountains, and as you can see right there, we have a river. So that's what we're gonna fish today. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna try is this little yellow rooster tail. I've used rooster tails before. That's why I almost caught the fish on in my last trout fishing episode. But I've never tried one in yellow, so this will be interesting. So it does look like there's some weeds in this river, as you can see. So I'll have to be careful about that, mindful. Just step out on this little sandbar here. Get better casting. Yep, much better cast. I'm just awed at this, how beautiful this place is, guys. I mean, look at the scenery all around me. It's just a beautiful place here in the mountains. The one drawback of this type of fishing is that you're generally not going to catch anything in numbers. No numbers, generally not a huge size. Sometimes you can catch decent sized fish on a river like this. It really depends. But yeah, no numbers, not much size. But the rewarding part is the play of the fish. Because it's a lot harder to fight the fish in current than it is in a lake or a pond where there's almost no current. And also you find a lot more exotic trout species on these rivers than in ponds. And also, guys, in the eastern states, when you're fishing these exotic trout streams, you can find brook trout. I think there's brown trout back east, not entirely sure. And also Atlantic salmon, if I'm correct, if that stream has a connection to the ocean. Yeah, just a lot of exotic species and a really good fight on the fish in these streams. And I'd take stream trout fishing to pond trout fishing any day, just because of, you know, the scenery and the fish. Just the adventure. And also you get to use a lot more of this type of thing because the fish, the trout in these streams are wild. They're not stocked. They've lived here for some number of years, and you can find all kinds of them, and they'll hit on. What's that? Well, join the club. We got backups. Yeah, there's some downsides to river fishing. My dad just lost his pole, just broke it. His line broke in the river and half of his pole slid off, so he's going to get one of the backups. Yep, so there are wins and losses with every type of fishing. I'm not going to go into every species. I've rambled on long enough. But to sum up my thoughts, I love this type of fishing. I take it over pond fishing. Exotic species, variety of lures, almost no bait unless you got worms. Worms will do you pretty good on streams like this. But the absolute killers, and I can do this in a separate video, my top 5 favorite trout lures, and I can go in depth and explain why. Look for those type of videos mostly around winter time. because, you know, fishing slows down a lot in the winter time, and that's when I'll be putting out videos like that. Just so that I can keep this channel going, even if I don't catch much. Don't get me wrong, I like to fish in the winter. It's nice to get outside. It helps combat cabin fever, but sometimes when you don't catch anything, you just don't catch anything. The fish are lethargic. It's just not great. Alright guys, so we've changed up spots, and I'm still throwing this little panther martin I had on earlier. So we'll see if we can catch a fish. Guys, I've got a fish. Check this out. Oh, it's a sucker. It's a sucker fish. Look at that, guys. We've got ourselves a sucker fish. I've never caught one of these before. I wish this was a trout. Or, no, is this a whitefish? Check that out, guys. What is this? If you know what this is, please let me know. Sam, go get the pliers, quickly. Oh my gosh.
I got a picture of it.
All right. I don't know. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on. Here we go. Come on. A minute. There he goes. Check that out.
Oh, that's cool.
Beautiful fish.
Alright, man.
Took a minute of reviving, but he's on his way, slowly. Got some good video of him. Guys, we got us a fish. Alright, so I've moved downstream just a little bit. I'm gonna try to cast in this deep pocket. So I'm just on the other side of the rock I was fishing by. I'm going to keep my voice down a little bit in case I catch another fish. Alright guys, so we're back at this spot, and my dad came back here and he caught a fish. Little rainbow trout. Apparently they just stocked some up here. So let's see if we can get one. Alright guys, so I've changed up spinners just a little bit to the size 2 Panther Martin spinner in a rainbow color. Well guys, my dad's got a fish. Let's go over there and see what he's got. Holy, that's a big, what is that? Let's take a look at this fish. Look at that.
Probably a salmon.
That is that a bull trout?
Maybe.
Look at that beautiful fish.
You go stay. You stay.
Okay, he's free. What is that?
I don't know.
Wow.
What did you just catch? Well, guys, as you saw there, we caught 3 fish. My dad caught a rainbow trout and an unidentified species. We're gonna take a look at the regulations to see what it is. And then I caught the other unidentified species. No clue what it was. Also gonna take a look at it. Regardless of my luck, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and we will see you in the next one.